Hi guys, now if you remember these when I did the biscuit joint experiment against the domino, these are the cupboards that I built, or pieces of wood that I stuck together to make the cupboards. These are the carcasses and these are going on the inside of what we call the square way, which is turn an old archway, which is a bit old-fashioned, into a more modern bank of sort of cupboards that separate the lounge from the kitchen area. This is the biscuit jointed version. Grace! Just a simple bookcase. I'm just seeing how many I need to fill the back, whether I need to trim a couple down in width to centralise. There we go. Right, so just got enough. Cut the end one down and it looks like I do. It's tongue off. It's about 55mm too, so I need to cut 25mm off to get the row started. I need to order a new crown guard for my saw. I've actually managed to break it and it won't stay up. It wants to fall down to the top of the blade. You can see that. The blade's had a little bit of a bite of it. For some reason it won't stay up. Not quite sure what I've snapped off, but something that's missing, which is a shame, so I'm going to have to contact Evolution and see if I can buy a new one. It's as though something in the rivet knife should sit. Broken off there. Yeah, it's a little piece of plastic that sits on top of the riving knife to stop the blade falling down. Actually, I probably could glue something in there. Sort of that. It's not easy to see. And there, that sits on top of the riving knife. Okay, I see. Cracked it there, which has sprung them two pieces apart, so the riving knife falls in the gap between the two. So if I glue a piece of timber or something in there, that'll renew that connection. I wonder. That size bigger rather than smaller, something like that. So look at doing being a bit tighter. Just wants to sit in there. That still needs to be a bit bigger than that. Try a bit that big. That's tighter. You know what, I probably could have just screwed it in. Hey, that's got it. Right, I'll show you what I've done. I've got a block trapped in there now, which has just sat on top of the riving knife, which keeps that above the blade, which means I can line that down as normal. Still, I know it's a bit sketchy, and I'll buy another one, but much rather have it on like that than not have it on at all. So, right, 25mm after all that. Best way to look for sticking out nails is with your hammer, not with your hand. Nails are fired through. None. Hey, there we go. It's a really quick bookshelf. Took me about half an hour to make that. I'm rushing a bit. This is my final day and I want to get packed up before we hit the road tomorrow. Is that the seal of approval?
Yes.
Excellent. A few screws in there and I'm done. It's the end of the woodwork.
Well, you're not putting the back in the other cupboard?
No, because there isn't a back in the other cupboard because they've got doors on.
Oh yeah, so we're going to make the most
So
of that little way, weren't we?
when you put the doors on, you won't see that.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
then we've got the entirety for
Yes. Yeah. So we're having the big cupboard at this side rather than at this side.
So I think just to make 3 cupboards like that, but make them just like being tin width.
Yeah, well they're the most useful, aren't they?
Just need to make a cutting list for next time. More. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors. 5 doors. It's quite a lot, that.